It's been really overwhelming, the response to Animal. And
Woo! Energy, guys!
and I'm a little nervous today because the more the day comes closer for the release, I'm getting more butterflies in my stomach. So, but it's so lovely to see all of you all here. I mean, I love Spotify. I listen to music on Spotify. They do a great job with giving us choices of music which we want to listen to. So, thanks for having me here. And all I can say is, 1st December, you have to be in the theaters near you. Love you guys. Thank you so much.
Okay, but can I just say two things, okay? Firstly, that new trailer, the final official trailer that came out yesterday. High five, guys. I mean, what a banging trailer. Am I right? Everyone saw it? Okay, put your hands up if the best shot in the trailer is the last one where, you know, these two gentlemen are without their shirts. Ladies, kuch to bolo yaar. Do we want to try and get them to take their shirts off? Ranveer's like, मैं मारूंगा. Please मत कराइए.
Hey, Gimbal.
Okay, and the second thing is, before you guys got here, all the songs that have been playing on loop, and honestly, what a banging album. To all the lovely musicians here, cannot wait to hear you guys perform. What an album. Cannot wait for tonight. तो हम लोग अपना शुरू करें. Okay, so the first thing is that, and Bobby's looking at me very like, ये क्या पूछने वाले हो? I just want to know, how are you guys reacting to the fact that everyone thinks you all are thirst traps? Thirst traps. Who wants to explain to Bobby, sir, what is thirst trap? I'll explain.
I don't know what thirst trap means. It's meant to be like your desirable.
You don't know what a thirst trap is?
Desirable, no?
Very desirable.
Desirable.
Okay. Great.
So what do you want us to
So
say?
like, how are you reacting to the fact that, like, I mean, see, I know you're used to it and all, but still, right, when a new trailer comes out and everyone's like, oh my god, you guys are looking hot.
यार desirable बोलो, non-desirable बोलो, बस picture देख के आ जाओ. हमको नहीं चाहिए 4 दिसंबर में. बाकी ये सब tags नहीं चाहिए हमको.
हाँ, आप सबकी डिजायर सिर्फ फिल्म देखने के लिए ज्यादा होने चाहिए.
Sir, हम तो Zaddy भी बोलेंगे. Zaddy. Ranveer will explain.
Zaddy is like a zigzag.
More than a daddy.
Okay, more than. Oh, why so?
Zigzag daddy.
Why so?
Zaddy, like it's like with
Like
feeling.
sexy Zaddy.
Yes, Zaddy.
It's such a Zaddy.
Bobby Zaddy.
Yeah, man.
Even I'm a Zaddy.
Oh, okay. Ranveer also wants to be called Zaddy, guys. I'm sorry. Ranveer Zaddy. It's a little off for me to say this. Okay, so as you guys know, I love playing games. And of course, I've got a game for you guys. But कहानी में twist ये है कि the questions that I ask Ranveer, Bobby will answer. And the questions that I ask Bobby, Ranveer will answer. Cool? Okay. Let's cue that up. Alright, Ranveer. Which song do you think Bobby Deol sings in the shower?
So you're saying this question he'll answer?
Yeah. No, you have to answer for Bobby. So the question is, which song do you think Bobby Deol sings in the shower?
I don't know about him, but I definitely do this. तेरी अदाओं पे मरता हूँ, love तुझे love मैं कर. And his amazing hair and those glasses, and also that, no? बेताबिया.
Wait. I think we have a song. Guys, do we have the song? Can we play the song? Ranveer, chal. You have to get ready.
कोई भी step.
It's there.
तम्मा का step इस पे
Fine,
करिए.
fine. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. एक और step है. करें?
कौन सा?
एक और है. गाना बजाएं? रणवीर का गाना.
2013 में रिलीज हुआ था और मैं जहाँ भी जाता हूँ ये गाना मेरे पीछे आता है। मैं अभी 41 इयर्स का हूँ, मेरे से नहीं होता ये सब, मेरी पीठ टूट जाती है। तो प्लीज़ मैं सब इवेंट मैनेजर्स से ये बात आज मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ कि प्लीज़ ये गाने पे मुझे मत नचवाना, कोई स्लो गाना प्ले करना।
अच्छा मैं स्लो मैं भिजवाती हूँ। अर्जुन रेडी?
अरे जैनिस, ये डांसिंग वाली पिक्चर नहीं है।
अरे बट
हमें स्ट्रिक्ट इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए बाय द डायरेक्टर कि आप प्लीज स्टेज पे नहीं डांस करना।
किसने कहा ये?
हमारे डायरेक्टर संदीप बाबू।
डायरेक्टर ना क्यों?
क्योंकि पता नहीं इमेजिंग खराब हो गई पिक्चर की।
इमेज खराब होगी। चलो अगला सवाल करते हैं, ओके? Ranveer, since you guys know each other really well, what do you think is the name of Bobby's workout Spotify playlist?
Workout playlist. It should be called Lord Bobby only, na? Lord Bobby.
Okay, so Lord Bobby, same question to you. What do you think is the name of Ranveer's Spotify workout playlist?
Animal.
Oh.
ब्लैक टी शर्ट वाले
Do you work out like an animal now?
लाइन है देखो उसकी देखो सामने दिखा लाइन वाला
Janice?
कॉलर है ना उसको बोलना थोड़ा
Sexy talk is happening.
Okay, I think I should just control myself. Okay, Bobby, what is Ranveer's favorite song in the film?
You want to answer that?
No, Bobby has to answer for you.
I don't know what it's being titled. It hasn't still come out. It should be coming out today, right?
Vipraak Baji हमारे साथ है।
I love that song.
He's right here.
Okay, guys, so it's an unreleased song, am I right?
Yes, it's an unreleased song, and I think my sons, they just love that song. Imagine that age, they love that song, the lyrics and the music and the tune. And whilst we were shooting that song, when I was standing in front of him, I could
So
see.
you were not really standing in front of him, you were beating him.
I was beating the shit out of him, but I could see the lyrics, the song in his eyes. That's how beautiful the song is, and that's how he felt it while performing in an action sequence, and I think it was just very mesmerizing.
Thank you, Baji. It's actually because of
Guys, we have Vipraak in the house now. If you could please stand so that the fans could see you. Vipraak, everyone! Okay, but you know, guys, one of the things I feel like has been through and through the promotion we've been seeing is the fact that there is this bromance going on between the two of you all, right? I want to know, I know that of course you've given many interviews talking about how you grew up on his films and all that, but when did you sort of fall in love with him as you felt like Bobby to is like Meri Jaan?
I think I've met Bobby sir over many years, you know, but at social gatherings and parties and all of that. But there was always an instant connect. I think our personalities are very similar. We are inherently, I guess, shy people. We are introvertish.
You're shy.
Not with you, but listen, you're going to give it out that there is some history and all.
It's just that, you know, I mean, I've seen Ranveer actually grow up. In
Yeah,
many
you
ways.
always said he's your favorite actor.
And I've seen him when he was not an actor, and I used to always meet him, and he was always so grounded and so down to earth and humble. I think the upbringing both of us have got in our lives, and our love for our families, I think, kind of bonds us more, and just his work, you know. I mean, just watching it. I didn't fall in love with him because of his work. I fell in love with him because of the person he is. But I'm a big fan of his work. I mean, he's my favorite actor.
Which is your favorite Ranbir Kapoor film?
Animal.
Oh, very smart, love it. Are you also going to say the same thing?
No, my absolute favorite is Gupt. And
Oof.
like a lot of people out here who saw Gupt, the kind of joy we had by telling people Kajol is the killer before they saw the film.
90s
was
kids,
just
90s
amazing.
kids, put your hands up. Hands up, hands up.
तू पिक्चर देखने जा रहा है हाँ Kajol is the killer.
Gen Z guys, have you all seen Goop? Goop देखिए? Not bad, देखिए. Okay, but Bobby, you have been married for a while. You have a son now who's in his 20s. Ranbir is relatively newly married. He has a newborn baby. Any advice that you feel like you could give him as someone who's seen it all and done it all?
I don't think anyone can advise you about how to be a parent. I think it comes naturally. I think every parent goes through their own way of experience of having a child. And I think that's how it was with us when we were growing up, when our parents, the way they treated us. Yes, definitely, there are so many things that you go through as when you were growing up and how your parents didn't understand you in many ways.
Yeah.
I mean, they've given me everything, whatever I am, it is because of my mommy and papa, but there are things they didn't ever understood. So what I try to do is I try to work on that, and I try to see that I don't do the same mistakes. But then, you know, you end up doing something which is not the way your child wants you to be, and it's going to be that.
Have you seen him with Raha?
I've seen him FaceTiming her all the time.
Oh.
I've never met her, but even while I was coming back from Delhi, he was there. His daughter is such a cutie. She's grown. She's 1 year old. Imagine the film started with his daughter being born, and now she's 1 year old. I mean, he's been through so much through this film, because you see the film, you see the promos, you realize the kind of character he's played. It has so much of complexity. It has so much, you know, it's like a growth of a child itself in the movie.
Yeah.
And to have in his own personal life, having his first child and experiencing the joy of it. I think he should be talking more about this.
No, I was going to ask him, what do you say on FaceTime to your 1 year old, yeah?
No, she's responding. She's locking eyes. If you tell her I love you, she does this. She gives flying kisses. Boss, there's no bigger joy. Do you have children?
No.
Do you want to have children?
Wow. Did not know this was going to turn into my interview. Maybe.
Yeah, okay, but I'm just saying it's the most joyful thing in life. So highly recommend it to all you guys. Have lots of children. Let's increase our population.
Yeah. Let's have more children, guys. Taliya ho jao. Okay. But we have to call one more person on stage to join us. I think you called him earlier as well. And this movie, this vision wouldn't be possible without him. So ladies and gentlemen, with a big round of applause, please welcome on stage the producer of Animal, Mr. Bhushan Kumar.
Janice, don't get naughty with him, okay?
I'm definitely going to get naughty with him. First question is only naughty.
Saving me.
He's saving you. He's not saving you. He's actually telling me our card. You have no idea.
Correct? ऐसे कर रहा है.
He called you Mr. Moneybags and also. See, I would never disrespect him like that.
वो तो ये हर रोज बोलते रहते हैं मुझे प्रमोशन.
Okay, sir, पैसे दे दो सर. Please, और थोड़े पैसे दे दो.
Okay, I want to know, why does everyone call you Bhushan Kumar G?
I don't know why. It means क्यों इतना बड़ा.
Sir, आपका काम इतना बड़ा है, sir. I'm giving you respect.
Is it okay if I call you Mr. B?
Yeah.
Can I call you Mr. B?
Better.
Yeah, Mr. B is a good one.
Mr. B is cool also, right?
But then Mr. Big B will feel bad. There's only one Mr. B, no?
Man, Mike Pickle.
You can call him PK. But then PKC might feel bad.
यार रणबीर कपूर के तालियां हो जाए, उसको ही करना चाहिए था यार.
तालियों की बहुत भीड़ पड़ती है ना आजकल.
I know.
तालियां.
तालियां. क्या करें? स्टेज पर आके यही करना पड़ता है. मैं आपके प्रोड्यूसर से सवाल पूछूं? पूछूं? Okay, but Mr. B, don't worry. Don't look there. Don't look there. You look at all your amazing musicians, okay, who are sitting in the crowd, and they've come together to make this fantastic album that we're all loving so much. Tell me about how is it that you put this together, and what has the response on Spotify been like?
So first of all, this is normally whenever we produce any film, I personally get involved in music, so that the music is commercially also, and it goes well with the screenplay of the film. And I have done a movie before with Sandeep Banga, and we did Kabir Singh together.
Yeah.
And that time, means I wanted some music in it, and he was reluctant because of the situation and all. But then we came to an agreement on the music, and then we had a great album. Everybody knows that. But this time, means again we had that kind of agreement. Means he said, "Sir, I will make the music, and if you don't like it, then we will change it and we will make something else." But I want to put this on record. This time I didn't put any of my input from T-Series. It was the entire album was fully conceived by with various talented music composers and lyricists we have here today. By Sandeep Banga. And not even one song was there which I was able to say, "Please, Sandeep, please change it. It's not sounding well, or it is going with the film, but it is not going with it's not that commercial enough which will work outside of the film.
Yeah.
So hats off to him. He has worked very hard to make. It's very difficult to make an album which is a combination of both, which works in the film, take your screenplay forward, and at the same time, outside the film also it works big time, which is happening today with our songs. So all the music composers, lyricists, various music composers and lyricists involved in the making of the album with Sandeep Manga means they have done a fabulous job. Once we will see.
Big
kind
round of applause. You guys are going to hear all the songs tonight, so I hope you're excited. But I also mean, you know, you've got your two leading men on stage, so I want to ask you a question about, like, give me an adjective to describe Ranbir. Like, now you've known him for a while, right? If you had to think of one adjective for Ranbir Kapoor.
He's like Bobby sir also said, he's very down to earth. He's always available.
Sir, हमेशा इतनी अच्छी चीजें मत बोलो.
बुरी चीज क्या
बोलो?
बोलूं?
कुछ
You
भी
can
नहीं
give
बोलो.
a naughty adjective also, चलेगा.
बुरी चीज बोलो?
बुरी चीज बोल दो सर.
क्या?
मैं आपको बोलूं क्या बुरी चीज बोलूं?
हाँ?
आप बोलो ना कुछ भी.
Sir, आपको सब
आपके मन में है.
आपको कोई कुछ नहीं
He's
बोलेगा.
very nice. He's very good to me always. Not in this film, but I know him from long time, and I have a very good relation with his dad also. So I know him very well. Means I actually have seen him before he was launched also. So he's very nice also.
I tried very hard, but he said only nice things about you. And of course,
And with Bobby sir, I have a family relation with his brother, with Sunny sir, and with Dharamji, of course. Means, you know, they literally call me by my nickname. So we have a very long-standing relation with the family.
सर आपका निकनेम क्या है?
Nannu.
नन्नू.
वापस से बोलना.
नन्नू. Yeah, that's a nickname.
I'm not sure how to react. आपको अच्छा लगता है ये nickname?
नहीं, मेरा है तो अच्छा तो लगेगा ही।
सबके
आप
निकनेम
कैसे
होते हैं.
जानते
सबके
हैं?
निक-
आप बोलो ना.
Yeah, Nanu.
Harshad, you want me? He's really in a mood tonight. Okay, but no, we're here to talk about anime. We're here to talk about the music. The music is doing so well.
हम ऑडियंस को ज़्यादा पका रहे हैं. Should just play the
नहीं,
music now.
नहीं पका रहे. और क्या रणबीर कपूर आपको पका रहा है?
नहीं, लेकिन आप पका रहे हो.
म्यूजिक के बारे में बात कर लें?
Yes.
फेवरेट ट्रैक बताओ. देखो क्यों पसंद?
Favorite
फेवरेट ट्रैक ऑन द एल्बम.
on the album. हर गाना फेवरेट है.
हाँ.
देखिए हर फिल्म में सब लोग बोलते हैं तो
हाँ.
मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा. But I would say since your favorite track is the Bibraj single, I would say mine would be. Can I take two?
Yeah,
I
of
would say
course.
Arjun
अपनी
Bailey,
फिल्म है.
Arjun Bailey, and Sataranga.
I love Sataranga.
Arjun Bailey also my favorite song. And the best part about this music is that even in the different languages it's come out in, they sound like a different song altogether, and they sound so nice. You know, that's the best part about the music of this. In every language, the song is so powerful. So as they say, music doesn't need language; it just works.
उफ, और उसका जो वीडियो है, जो काटा है, उफ, उफ, उफ. सर आपका फेवरेट गाना?
मेरी पूरी एल्बम है क्योंकि नहीं सीरियसली बिकॉज जितने भी आर्टिस्ट सब बैठे हैं एंड दे आर ऑल माय फेवरेट एंड दे आर ऑल वर्क विद मी इन सो मेनी सॉन्ग्स सो एवरीबडी हैज डन अ ग्रेट जॉब सो आई कांट टेक एनीबडी वन से
So we'll have a chat backstage कि इतना politically correct
नहीं
नहीं.
politically नहीं really everybody has worked if you listen to the songs every songs have different kind of thing means they can have just one or two songs but I can't have that.
That is
my entire album.
very smart as a producer. But ladies and gentlemen, Ranbir Kapoor.
There is one more track which is not released yet, which I guess you guys will be debuting for the first time on stage, which is track का नाम क्या होगा? पहले भी मैं.
पहले भी मैं.
So पहले भी मैं is also an amazing track. I know
Vishal, yeah.
Vishal is here. So I'm really looking forward.
Vishal Mishra, everyone, please, sir. All right.
So everybody out here are premium members?
Is everyone a premium member?
But आजकल they are asking for membership every month. You have to put in your.
Where is the Spotify team? A Spotify team, show yourselves. Ranbir has questions about why he has to pay for this.
No,
membership.
I'm fine because
Oh,
I'm
you're
on,
fine with it.
I'm on Alia's family plan. तो मेरे को मेरा फिर अलग है. But I'm just saying that she has to put in her details every month. So can we? Is this an India problem or is this a Spotify problem?
Hi Spotify, where are you? Hi Spotify. Go annual, they're saying. Ranveer, please pay for the entire year.
Yeah, I've gone annual.
Huh?
I've done the annual thing.
Oh, you have, okay.
So get an annual
Can
payment.
I come on your family plan?
Yeah, you can. That's the best part. We live in a joint family out here.
Sir, आप annual plan पे हो? आप annual Spotify premium plan पे हो?
Right.
अच्छा,
Because I have to see the many ads and all which are coming. So that's why
Okay guys, let's, Ranveer is feeling very hot and so is Bobby and so is Sir. So
खुद का पसीना निकल रहा है अब भी बिल भाई.
रणवीर मैं खड़ी जाऊँ आपकी परमिशन के साथ because we have to now call the musicians, the magicians behind the album on stage, because guys, we are going to be launching the Animal album tonight. So one by one, I'm going to call all the magicians and all the artists. All right, can I get a big round of applause first for these